You're going to take a cardboard tube and you're going to make it white. You can paint it white or you can cover it with paper. So you can use glue or tape. You're going to make sure there's room above and below the cardboard tube. Tape it, roll it, and just as it covers, you can cut off the excess paper. And then you're either going to glue or tape that open edge on. Now you're going to use scissors to cut slits along the top and just till it gets to the top of that cardboard tube. So you can easily fold the paper into the inside of the tube and then it has a nice edge. You can tape some of those things down so they don't get in the way or pop out. You're going to do that to the other side until you have a tube covered in paper. Now, if you want to color the paper before you put it on, you can measure and draw lines so you know where to color. So make it the right size before you tape it on. You can also color it while it's on the tube. So you can use markers or you can use yarn. So this is a fun way to decorate. Take a piece of yarn and tape it to the inside. And then you're gonna wrap it around the tube right till the end, and then you'll cut it and tape that end to the inside. Sometimes some of the pieces slip and you might wanna glue or tape those in place if you want to. I'm using 3 different colors. You can do whatever color you like and however many you want. I'm making 5 candles for Advent. To make the flames, you can use hard paper or you can use foam like I am. You're gonna draw a small teardrop or flame-like shape, doesn't have to be perfect, and cut that out. I'm doing this one in gold. Next, I'm gonna trace that around my second color. I'm using orange. And then I'll cut that out. And then I'll do it a third time with yellow. And once I've cut those out, I'm gonna put all 3 of them together and glue them together. You can use stick glue or white glue or a glue gun as long as it's low temperature. And then once they're together, you're gonna glue them to the inside of the tube. I used a glue gun because it was quicker but low temperature so that you don't hurt yourself. And make sure you have permission to use the glue gun. There we go, all 5 candles with flames. Now we're gonna add a light. You'll need these little tiny tea lights that are battery operated. And you can stick it right in the tube. It fits great. But sometimes when you're turning them off and on, you'll have to put your hand in the top just to hold it down. Now to save that from happening all the time, you can glue them in place. You'll need a glue gun for this, so get permission or get some help with putting the glue on the lights and then pushing them into the candle. Now hold it against the glue for a little bit until it dries so it's nice and sticking. Ta-da! You can put anywhere you want, or you can even turn them into an Advent wreath. To use these candles in an Advent wreath, you can do what I did, make pom-poms around a wood circle and glue all of that on the wood circle. But there's other ways to make a wreath. I'll put links for that and how to make pom-poms in the description. However you do it, we can shine a light for Jesus.